Welcome to the channel. If you've been looking for your DeepSeek API key, got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly where to find it. So the first thing you need to do is jump into deepseek.com, and this is not the chat platform. This is their official website. On the top right hand side, you will see API platform, and you're going to click on this over here. Now this will take you to this page, and if you haven't created an account, you will have to do that before you can actually access this DeepSeek platform. On the left hand side, once you've created this account, you will see API keys. You're going to click on this. This is the page that you will see. Right, you're going to click on create new API key. So let's just give it a name. So let's just say API key and click on create. Within a few seconds, you'll see it's created, and you can now go ahead and say copy. Done. And here's a list of all your API keys, which you can edit the name of and then just delete if you would like to, and you can manage everything here. Of course, to create it is free, but to use it will require funds. So you can go to top up over here, choose the amount, choose your currency, choose your payment method, and then click on next step to make the payment. I hope this was helpful.